What's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we always back at it here again. You know, another day, another dollar in the dream. You know, we're here back at El Reno Auto Auction, public auction. You know, I'm here every Friday. Oh, man, hopefully they have some cars. You know, it's been raining all morning. They're about 25 to maybe 30 minutes, depending on how fast you drive from the city. And probably another, because I stay a little bit deeper in the city, so it's about 35 minutes away from where I live. So hopefully, you know, I came out here and hopefully they have any cars. But the main reason why I really came out here is to pick up a title, and I'll explain that to you, like, because I know a lot of you guys are wondering, like, picking up a title, why you just didn't get a title when you bought the vehicle. But I'll explain that. I'll explain it either somewhere in between this video or at the end of this video. So just stay watching. Let's get to it. Different butters and jams, you know. There you go. That's your new business. Start a new business right there. Cars not selling, start selling some food. Let's go get another look at this. Foods, drinks, butters, and jams. PBs and J's and so much more. See how it looks on the inside. Not too bad. You gonna buy it?
Not today.
No, I'm not. A flashlight. Little sink set up. Little rack. Sliding door. It's not too bad. Not too bad. It's your little refrigerator. Not too bad, little. Did you wash your hands? Now let's go walk around. It's pretty interesting. I want to know what this is actually gonna go for. We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see a couple of $100.
See what's going on today. We got Seth Wally out here today. Let's start over here today. Let's start from this. I mean, step in all this water. See what we got. Jeeps, BMWs. Man, why do people be doing stuff like, dang, what the heck is all of this? Look at that. I don't even know if that's gone. Got the whole intake off of there. People just be destroying stuff for no reason. Let's see. Explorers, trucks. It's a nice truck. Could use a paint job. 2.7 V6. Some trash motors in the. That's one of like the trashiest motors. All right, let me get over here. I don't want to get hit with the water. That's walking. I need to see if they'll sell me like one of those car haulers. You know, I see like one, two. It's like a couple car haulers that just be sitting over here on the side. They might just be spares for them. I'll have to answer this auction one day, see if they'll sell me one. And they sell this. They're getting light on me, man. They're getting light on me. Man, I remember when this place used to be all the way filled up. You know, this area used to be filled, that area filled up. All that in the back used to be filled up. Got a Toyota Camry need a front bumper. What is this, L or LE? Probably an L. Let's see. No, it's LE because it got a power driver seat. Am I correct? Yep, I'm correct. Look at that. I know my Toyotas. If it was the L, it would have just had a a manual seat. LE, you get a power seat. That's really the only difference between the L and the LE Camry. Ain't that something? Really ain't that big of a difference. Look at that. Remember when they used to be all the way packed, filled up? Let's go. Get over here. See how much time I want to spend out here today. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you know, an hour, maybe an hour, just depends. Got this Impala right there. Don't look too bad. Go get your front grill. Can't do nothing about the dents or nothing like that. Little Cavalier. Probably need a battery. These are actually pretty good selling cars. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. I always want to buy. I want to buy me a truck one of these days. One of these days I'm gonna get me a truck, but I don't like Chevy. I don't like GMCs. I don't like Ford. It's gonna have to be a Toyota truck if I get anything. It has to be a Toyota truck. And if I was to get a Ford truck, I would only get an F-250 though. I don't know what about these F-250s that I just like. I just like these F-250s a lot. I don't know. It's just something about them. Like I drove one day a while back. They just drive so well. I don't know what I'll be doing with a truck like this for. I don't know what I'll really be using it for, just to have a truck. But I don't know if I would get a truck, is it going to be a Toyota truck or that truck? What's going on, Bubby? What's going on, Bubby?
What's up, dog?
Not much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing good. You getting these cars started?
Yeah.
Not a lot of cars today.
We want you to buy 8 or 9 of them.
I'm gonna buy some, so you're gonna deliver them to me. I'll see you Monday when you deliver them. Yeah, you always get that benefit. Free delivery when you buy a car. Free delivery, that's why I appreciate them. You know, I don't have to drive them all the way back to the city. They deliver them to me for free. Look at this Hummer right here. H2 Hummer. But let's get inside. They're about to have early bird drawing, and let's get to it. Let's see if I win any money. Phone call for 4,800 bucks. What do y'all think? 4,800 bucks? I don't think they're gonna sell it, you know. I think they look like they invested way more money than 4,900 bucks, and I think because it started off at $9 grand, so I'm pretty sure that's kind of what they want for it, around 8-9 grand. So I don't think they're gonna sell it for 4,900. So let's get to it. Y'all know where we at. Smoothie Kings. Every Friday at the auction, you know, you gotta get my 32 ounce for $5. I mean, it comes up to $6.51. I always get the immune builder and add some ginger, add ginger to it. So that's just my thing. Let's get to talking about it. Let's go. What's going on? So left the auction a little early. Y'all see, member of the Hidden Leaf Village. Huge Naruto anime fan. But yeah, left the auction a little bit early. I mean, didn't really have too much. Ended up getting one. It was a 04-05 Isuzu Rodeo. It was fairly clean. I mean, the inside was dirty, so I have a good detail job on my hands to go on my hands coming up, but let me tell you guys I'm just explaining to you guys as quickly as possible the process of buying cars when you're a dealer. So when you become a dealer, you get your dealer's license, you sign up to the auction. So you're not so when you go to auctions, you like El Reno is a public and dealer auction. So if you're public, it's $300 to enter. If you're a dealer, you know, you just walk in because you already got your dealer's license, and you walk into all these auctions and you already have your dealer's license. And the process is simple and easy when you're a dealer. You just go in there, raise your hand, buy as many cars you want, and once you buy all the cars that you want, you know, arbitrate the ones you want to arbitrate, and then once you get the ones that you buy, you know, you just go, you know, you're gonna sign a ticket on all the cars that you buy, and then you'll arbitrate those. But the process is easy, you know. Go in there, buy cars, you come out there, you sign at the auction, you sign, you tell them you want to arbitrate these ones. And that's really the whole process. There's nothing really difficult about it. You know, you buy the car, you don't have to, at some if Copart auction is different from other auctions. You know, Copart is one of the auctions that have the title in right then and there, so you have to pay for it. And if the auction or the seller has the title in right then and there, then you have to pay for it. But if you're a dealer, you don't have to pay for the car right then and there. You know, you pay for the car when the auction gets the title in and you receive the title. So once, you know, you buy the car, you can take it back to your lot. What they always suggest for you to do is not touch the car until you receive the title, but you can, because a lot of these auctions, they're fairly good at getting in the titles in these dealers. Some dealerships run smoother than other dealerships, so it might be a while before they get their title in. But the ones that don't run so smooth, they'll announce their cars on late title. And when they announce late title, that means that dealer has 60 days to get that auction the title. So you might be waiting a while to get that title if you buy a vehicle on late title. But sometimes they just announce late title, just, you know, just to give themselves that leeway. So just in case they don't need 6 days, it happens. But when you're a dealer, you buy the car, you take it back to your lot, and you can go. You can if you trust the dealer and stuff like that, and you know the title's going to get in, and you've been buying a car from this dealership and they've been doing well on the title, then, you know, you go get the car cleaned up and you sell it, because you know you're going to get the title within 30 days and you'll get it mailed out to the customer within 30 days. So that's the rules. Like, the auction has 30 days to get you the title, and then, but you only have, but you have 30 days to get that customer their title. But thing is, I guess it can work out in your favor as well, you know, because say you bought the car and then 2 weeks later you sold the car, so now you have 30 days to get that title. So, and then the auction still has the 15 days to get to that title. So once you sell it, so once you receive the title, you'll have 15 more days to get the title, but I mean to send the title off to the customer. But you can't run into some problems selling cars before you get the title. It will happen. It will happen to you at least once or twice. I'm not gonna say it's gonna happen to you all the time, like y'all seen in videos prior that I had to return some vehicles. But it will happen to you every now and again. It doesn't happen too often, but it will happen to the best of it. It will happen to at least everyone, you know. It's just one thing that's gonna happen in the car business. But don't want this video to drag on. Appreciate you guys. Everybody enjoy your weekend. I'll touch more on this video and touch more on the auction process when I make a video with Bonnie. She's been in some of Lucky's videos. If you guys are here from Lucky's channel, as Bonnie, she works at the auction, so we'll explain that process, and I'll explain it from the dealer side, and then she'll explain it from the auction side of the business. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Enjoy y'all weekend. See you guys Monday. Let me know below which CarMax y'all want to see Monday, and let's peace out. See you.